Parotid.
Parotid gland. Where is the parotid gland? Okay, let me put it over here. Where is the parotid gland? Okay.
Covering. I'm sorry.
It's better if you can listen and once person can record and they can send it to everybody. So it's going to be much easier. So don't block the ways for other people. This one is the parotid gland with the parotid duct. Right? Parotid gland with the parotid duct. Okay, here. This one. Which one is this? Sublingual. This one is submandibular. Beneath the tongue is the sublingual. And the function of all the salivary gland is to produce saliva. How much saliva is produced per day? Okay. 1.5. Okay. So parotid gland with parotid duct. This is sublingual and this is submandibular. Next.
Liver, all lobes.
Liver. This is a liver, right? Which lobe is this? Right lobe. This one? This is inferior vena cava. And this vein is the medicine. Hepatic vein. Hepatic vein, inferior vena cava. Then what else you need to know from the liver? So this is the right lobe. This is the left lobe. We have two more lobes. This one is the one with the four corner is the quadrate. The one looks like a tail is the chordo. And this is gallbladder. Gallbladder is connected with the cystic duct. This whole structure is called as porta hepatis. What are the structures which are in the porta hepatis? The red is the hepatic artery proper. The purple is the hepatic portal vein. And the green is the common hepatic duct. What else?
This is IVC.
IVC, this is inferior vena cava. IVC stands for inferior vena cava.
The small intestines.
Okay, small intestine. Where is the small intestine?
It's right there.
Right there. There.
Yeah, that one.
Okay. How many parts of the small intestine? Three, right? This one is the, let me take it out. This is the duodenum, right? Here is the duodenum. Where the duodenum and then ileum. Where the ileum and we have ileocecal valve, right? This is the ileocecal valve. And then the large intestine began. The first portion of the large intestine is cecum. Cecum. Appendix is attached to cecum. So this is cecum. This is appendix. This is ascending. Here is transverse. This one
Descending.
This one sigmoid colon. And what is the name of this white band? Did I ask anything about the white band? Tinea coli, right?
Oh,
This
yeah.
white band is tinea coli. Did I ask?
No.
Okay. Tinea coli and these pouches are hostria. Okay. And
Sure
this
you
is,
remember that?
I didn't ask you?
No.
And then don't worry about it.
Yeah, it's on the list.
It's on the list?
Yeah, it's on
Yeah, it's on the list.
It should be this.
It's on the list.
Should we
Okay.
scratch it off?
So anyhow, so the white is the tinea coli. These pouches are hostria. This is pancreas, and this is duodenum. Parts of the duodenum, parts of the small intestine, duodenum, and ileum. Where the ileum and we have ileocecal valve, and then this is the beginning of intestine. The first portion of the intestine is the cecum. Cecum, the appendix is attached with the cecum. Then we have ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon, and sigmoid colon. Moving on.
Esophagus.
Esophagus, you can see the esophagus from two of the model. I can ask from any of them. This is esophagus, right? With the thoracic aorta. And you can also, Calvin, can you go over there and pick the same model? Esophagus over here, but it's gone. So this is esophagus, okay? This is diaphragm. Okay, next.
Cecum.
Huh?
We did cecum.
Cecum, you can also see the cecum from here, right? And this is appendix, right? This one is appendix and this is cecum. This is appendix and this is cecum. Next.
All regions of the colon.
Colon, we already talked about.
Mesenteries.
Mesentery. This is the mesentery, right? And how you define mesentery, if I'm going to ask this one, that will be a bonus question, but I'm not going to tell you the bonus question right now. I can ask some other question as a bonus question. Double fold up peritoneum. And the arteries and the vessels which pierce the mesentery is superior mesentery artery and the veins, right? The red is the artery, the blue is the vein, but this drape is called as, or this membrane is called as mesentery. Okay, next.
Stomach.
Okay, stomach is also very important. Where is stomach now?
Over there.
Okay, this is stomach. What I want you to know from the stomach.
Vertebrae, fundus, body.
And the sphincters, did I ask about the sphincters? No?
Sphincters.
Okay, so this, and curvatures as well or no?
Yeah, that was
Okay,
good.
so this is a lesser curvature, this is a greater curvature, this is cardioesophageal sphincter, this is pyloric sphincter, because pyloric sphincter is continue with the duodenum, okay? So gastroesophageal sphincter, pyloric sphincter, lesser curvature, greater curvature, fundus, the dome shaped part is fundus, then this is body, and this is antrum, and this is pylorus. Pylorus taper end into pyloric canal, okay? And when you open it up, and when the stomach is not filled with the food, these projections, the folds of mucosa and submucosa are called as rugae. Okay, next.
Gallbladder.
Gallbladder, this is gallbladder. Gallbladder is connected with the cystic duct. The function of gallbladder is to store and concentrate the bile. The function of liver is to produce the bile. Next.
Porta hepatis.
Porta hepatis, I already showed you what is porta hepatis. This is porta hepatis, right? Okay, name the structures which are the part of porta hepatis. Hepatic artery proper, hepatic portal vein, and common hepatic duct. Yes.
Let's see. Oh, common hepatic duct, hepatic artery proper, hepatic.
Yeah, you already have the answer in this one. Okay.
Bile duct.
Bile duct. The bile duct. This is the bile duct, right? How the bile duct is formed? Cystic duct and the common hepatic duct join to form the bile duct.
Bless you.
Cystic duct, as you said.
Cystic duct is, this is a
Sit
cystic
down.
duct.
Taking
The
your
duct
chair.
which is connected to the bile duct is the cystic duct. Okay? This is the cystic duct. Okay, next.
Let's see. The function of the liver, which is said.
Function of the liver is to produce bile. Function of gallbladder is to store and concentrate bile. Next.
Hostria.
Hostria, I show you where are the hostrias. These are the hostrias, the pouches, and this white band is called as
Tinea.
tinea colon.
Yeah. Okay. Rectum.
Rectum, where is the rectum? The rectum you can see from here. This is a rectum here. This is the rectum, okay, with the anal canal here. But I want you to look for the rectum over here. In the male model, where is the covering for the male model? Here. This is rectum, and you can also see the rectum is hidden here in the torso, right? This is also rectum. Here. This one, inside. The purplish one is the rectum.
The pancreas and pancreatic duct.
Pancreas. This is the pancreas with the main pancreatic duct. The white is the duct, and this structure is the pancreas.
The lacteals of the small.
Okay, forget about lacteals because I do remember I gave you the lacteals in the last exam.
Alright, so that's all. And then the next one is the respiratory system.
Okay, start from the respiratory system.
Alright, from the beginning, all three.
Concus.
Concus.
Of course, okay. So you already know these are the concus. Superior, right, middle, and inferior concha. The top one is the superior, then middle, and then inferior concha. Then, what is next?
The meatus.
Okay, so the depression between the conchas are called as meatus. So we have superior meatus, superior, middle, and inferior meatus. Okay, focus more on the conchas. The projections are called as conchas. The one I'm touching right now is the concha. Okay, next.
The vocal cords. true
Vocal
and
cords.
false.
Okay, now hold here. Vocal cords, right?
Yeah, true and false.
True and false vocal cords. When you open this one up, right? This blue line, you see this is the flap, right? So where are the vocal cords? You see this blue line? These are you're talking about epiglottis or vocal cords?
Vocal cords.
Okay, vocal cords. Okay. These are the vocal cords. The top is the false and the bottom is the true vocal